Be not rash with thy mouth, and let not thy heart be hasty to utter anything before God. For God is in heaven and thou upon the earth. Therefore let thy words be few. Ecclesiastes 5 verse 2. For God is in heaven, and thou upon the earth. Therefore let thy words be few. But let your communication be and nay. For whatsoever is more than this cometh of evil. Matthew 4 verse 37. Let your speech be always with grace, seasoned with salt, that we may know how we ought to answer every man. Colossians 4 verse 6. Let the word of Christ dwell in you, richly in all wisdom, teaching and admonishing one another in psalms and hymns and spiritual songs, singing with Christ with your heart to the Lord. Colossians chapter 3 verse 16. Set a watch, O Lord, before my mind. Keep the door of thy lips. Psalms 141 verse 3. Neither filthiness nor foolish talking, no jesting which are not convenient, but rather